Today's presentation topic is AI in interior design, navigating challenges and charting solutions. Introduction. The fusion of artificial intelligence, or AI, and interior design has revolutionized the way we conceptualize, plan, and execute interior spaces. From automated design suggestions to virtual reality simulations, AI has brought unprecedented efficiency and creativity to the field. However, as with any innovative technology, the integration of AI in interior design comes with its own set of challenges. In this presentation, we will explore the problems encountered in the marriage of AI and interior design and propose effective solutions to overcome these hurdles. Problem number 1 is the lack of personalization. One of the primary challenges in AI-driven interior design is the potential loss of personalized touch. Automated systems often rely on data patterns and trends, risking a cookie-cutter approach that may not capture the unique preferences and individuality of clients. The solution for the lack of personalization is to adopt the hybrid design approaches. To address the issue of personalization, designers can adopt a hybrid approach that combines AI algorithms with human intuition. By integrating AI tools to analyze client preferences and lifestyle patterns, designers can then infuse their creativity to curate personalized design solutions. This ensures a balance between the efficiency of AI and the nuanced touch of human expertise. Problem number 2 is the limited creativity and innovation. AI systems, while proficient at analyzing data and generating solutions based on existing trends, may struggle with truly innovative and groundbreaking design concepts. The risk is that spaces may start to look repetitive and lack the wow factor that comes from human creativity. The solution for limited creativity and innovation in design is to use AI as a creative assistant. Rather than relying solely on AI for design ideation, designers can use AI as a creative assistant. By leveraging AI tools to sift through vast amounts of design data, designers can gather inspiration and information to fuel their own creative processes. This symbiotic relationship ensures that AI acts as a catalyst for innovation rather than a substitute for human creativity. Problem number 3 is the ethical concerns in data usage. AI in interior design heavily relies on data, including user preferences, behaviors, and lifestyle choices. However, the ethical use of this data raises concerns about privacy, consent, and potential biases that may be embedded in the algorithms. The solution for ethical concerns in data usage is to adopt transparent data practices and ethical guidelines. To address ethical concerns, it is imperative for designers and AI developers to adopt transparent data practices. Obtaining explicit user consent, anonymizing personal information, and regularly auditing algorithms for biases are essential steps. Establishing industry-wide ethical guidelines ensures responsible AI use, fostering trust between designers, clients, and the technology itself. Problem number 4 is the integration challenges. Implementing AI tools seamlessly into the existing workflow of interior designers can be a formidable challenge. Many designers may find it challenging to adapt to new technologies, leading to resistance and a slower adoption rate. The solution for the integration challenges is to provide user-friendly interfaces and training programs. Developing user-friendly AI interfaces tailored to the needs of interior designers is crucial for successful integration. Additionally, providing comprehensive training programs can empower designers to harness the full potential of AI tools. This combination of intuitive interfaces and continuous education helps bridge the gap between traditional design processes and AI-driven methodologies. Problem number 5 is the cost barriers. AI technologies often come with significant upfront costs, which can be a deterrent for smaller design firms or independent designers. The perception that AI is only accessible to large corporations can hinder its widespread adoption in the interior design industry. The solution for the cost barriers is to develop affordable AI solutions and collaboration platforms. To address cost barriers, developers should focus on creating more affordable AI solutions, specifically designed for smaller design firms. Additionally, collaborative platforms that allow designers to share AI resources and tools can further democratize access to these technologies. By fostering a sense of community and collaboration, the industry can ensure that AI becomes a valuable asset for designers of all scales. Problem number 6 is the over-reliance on technology. While AI brings efficiency and innovation to the table, There is a risk of over-reliance where designers may become dependent on AI tools and neglect their own creative instincts and problem-solving abilities. The solution for the over-reliance on technology is to consider using balancing automation and human expertise. To avoid over-reliance on technology, designers must consciously balance automation with human expertise. AI should be viewed as a tool that enhances and streamlines the design process rather than a replacement for human creativity. Setting clear boundaries and maintaining a collaborative relationship between AI and designers ensures a harmonious balance. In conclusion, the integration of AI in interior design holds immense potential to revolutionize the industry, offering efficiency, innovation, and enhanced user experiences. However, to fully realize these benefits, it is crucial to address the challenges that come with this technological shift. By adopting a hybrid approach, embracing ethical data practices, ensuring user-friendly interfaces, and fostering collaboration, the interior design industry can navigate the complexities of AI integration successfully. Ultimately, the synergy between AI and human creativity promises a future where interior spaces are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also deeply personalized and innovative. To architects and interior designers, if you find this presentation is useful, please thumb up, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.